Action verbs and examples. Brought to you by Little Kids Heart of Learning.
Hi friends, would you like to name some action words today? Great, I'm so glad to hear you're ready to learn. Action words, also known as action verbs, are words that describe an action that a subject is performing or has performed. Action words can describe physical or mental actions. If you're doing something, then yes, you're in action. Let's get started. Jump. Imagine. Clap. Cry. Remember. Laugh. Read. Play. Crawl. Dance. Walk. Cook. Wonder. Eat. Write. Swim. Sleep. Draw. Sing. Climb. Speak. Bike. Enjoy. Run. Drink. Smile. Kids, that's it for today. You were awesome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until we meet again, keep being great every day.